Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to TechImprovise. My name is Viraj. Today we're going to be talking about MacBooks, optimization and cleanup. Yes, and we're going to be starting just right now.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright guys, for the first step we're going to be going to Finder. Need to click on that, then go to Go and press and hold Options key on your keyboard. It will show you a hidden folder in the name of library. You need to click that, then go to Caches, select all and move to bin. Remember, this would only work if you restart your MacBook. Once this is done, you need to restart for this first step completion. Once you have restarted, please go to your bin, select all the files, and now you will be able to delete it immediately. Alright guys, for the second step, now we need to go to the Finder again, Spotlight search, and search for Activity Monitor right here. Once you're in this particular tab, you need to look for CPU hungry applications which are eating up a lot of percentage onto your CPU and quit them as soon as possible. For example, if you're looking at an application right here, VLC, just click on that and hit this stop button here. You need to quit as easy. Find out all the process hungry applications and then you're good to go. Alright guys, for the third step, you need to go to Spotlight search again and type in disk utility. Press enter and it should automatically take you to your primary hard disk. If it shows you something like this is your SSD. Then go into your container disk and go on to your primary hard disk, which is this. Click on first aid and hit run. This will show you a dialog box, something like this. To verify the startup volume will cause this computer to stop responding. You can click continue. This might take a while. Once this is done, you can now close it. For the fourth step, we'll go on to the Apple icon. Click on System Preferences. Go to General. Make sure Automatically Hide and Show the menu bar is checked off. Show scroll bars is set to always. Down below, use the font smoothing when available is also checked off. Once you're done, again, Desktop and Screensaver section. Go to the Desktop tab. Make sure you've checked off Change Picture every 15 minutes or 30 minutes. In order to optimize Mac, you don't require that. Again, go to the dock settings and make sure magnification is checked off. Minimize windows using Genie effect is set to scale effect instead of Genie effect. Animate opening applications is checked off. Automatically hide and show dock is checked off. Show indicators for open application is checked off. This will be it for the fourth step. Now for the fifth step, you need to go to the Apple icon, click on About This Mac. Now go to Storage. Now you need to go to Manage, and if not done, then Optimize Storage should be turned on. To reduce clutter, you can review files from here and do that. Best way to reduce clutter is go to your Applications folder and delete some of the applications which might not be supported for Mac. Then you are good to go. For the sixth step, you need to reduce the clutter on your desktop screen, which is right here. All of these files scattered all around will take a lot of boot time. To reduce that, there is an inbuilt feature in MacBooks in the name of Use Stacks. You can click on use stacks and it will make stacks of different files into one specific location. This will reduce the clutter and help boot up for MacBooks faster. Now for the 7th step, you need to again go to the Apple logo. Go to System Preferences and go to User and Groups. Once you're there, go to Login Items and delete certain items which you don't require while MacBooks boot up. Like App Store, I don't need that. FaceTime, again, I wouldn't need that. Photos, I wouldn't need that. This way, you will be able to clear up a lot of space and speed up your boot time. Now, moving on to the 8th step, you need to go to Spotlight Search. Click on Terminal. You need to enter It will not show you while you are entering your password, but it will do the same. Press enter once you're done. And it will clear up your RAM. And we are done for this step. Moving on to the 9th step. First, you need to go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to Firefox menu. Go to Preferences. And then Extension and Themes. Once you are there at Extensions, you can reduce the unwanted extensions that you may have. Like, I would not require HTTPS everywhere, so I'll remove that. Again, for MetaStream Remote, I would not need that. We'll remove that. And similarly, you can also do that. This is for Firefox. If you have a Chrome, then you will go to Chrome and go to the 3 dots right here on the top right corner of your browser. Go to More Tools and go to Extensions. Now you can also remove some of the extensions that you may not require somehow. Just click on Remove and you are done. Similarly, for Safari, go to Safari menu and Safari extensions. I don't have any, but you can go there and reduce your extensions or add-ons as well. This is it for this step. For the last step, which is step 10, we need to go to Spotlight Search, type in Terminal once again, hit enter, and this time around type in sudo space mudtil space dash capital E space / and press enter. It will urge you for a password. Same way, please enter your password. Now what we are trying to do right here is that we are re-indexing our Spotlight search items. This is going to take time, maybe a few hours as well. Once this is done, you will see a significant boost to your MacBook performance. This will run in the background, so you don't need to worry. Indexing is enabled. You can close the terminal now. Once this is done, you will be able to see a significant boost to your MacBook's performance.
So by now, if you would have been able to implement these 10 tips and tricks for your MacBook, you would have noticed a significant boost onto your productivity and performance. And if this whole thing worked for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon button. Thank you so much. Until next time.